Hello everybody, today in this video I will show you how to easily change the font style in your Instagram, so let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open App Store or Play Store and download this application right here. Once you do that, go ahead and open it. It should look something like this. Tap right here in the top and type in the text that you want to change the font of. Let's say I want to change the font of my Instagram name. I type it there, I look for the font that I like. Let's say I like this one, I tap on it, it will be copied automatically. And then I tap on close when this window pops up. Now go to your Instagram, tap on the profile picture on the bottom right, and then tap on edit profile under your profile picture. From here, tap on name area, and then go ahead and long tap and paste the text that you have copied. Once you're done, tap on the tick in the top right corner, and that is how we do it. Now let's say I want to change the font of my bio as well. I tap on it, I go ahead and paste the text again there and tap on the tick in the top right corner, and that's how we do it again. But it's important to know that you cannot change the font style of your username. And that's it. Once you're done, tap on the tick in the top right corner to save the changes, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.